Hi children, how are you all? Hope you're all doing well. Today our story is about a gingerbread man. Do you all know who is a gingerbread man? Let's see. So the story is the gingerbread man. So once upon a time there were a old woman and a old man, let's say a grandmother and a grandfather. They lived in a small cottage near a river. So, this is a grandfather, old man, grandmother, old woman. They lived in this cottage near a river. So, one day the old woman was very hungry. So, she thought she will make some bread today. So, she told the grandfather, "Today I'll make some bread so that we can enjoy the bread." So she started making the dough and she made a tiny gingerbread man. Can you all see? She made the dough into a gingerbread man. And she kept that gingerbread man dough in the oven to bake. So she kept it in the oven, and after some time, after the bread is ready, she went and opened the oven door. Suddenly, the gingerbread man came out of the oven and started running. So this old woman didn't understand, how did the gingerbread man run? How can he run? So she told the grandfather, "The gingerbread man is running. So please go and catch him." So they started running behind gingerbread man. So the gingerbread man said, "Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me because I am the gingerbread man." So the gingerbread man ran very fast. After him there was old woman who was running, and behind her the old man was running to catch the gingerbread man. So let's see what happened next. So in the way, the gingerbread man saw a pig, and the pig said, "Oh my god, you look so yummy, I can eat you." Then the gingerbread man said, "First you catch me, then you can eat me." Then the pig also started running behind the gingerbread man. The gingerbread man said, "Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me because I am the gingerbread man." So the pig was also running very fast to catch the gingerbread man. So in the way, again, what did the gingerbread man see? He saw a cow. Cow said, "Wow, you look so delicious. I can eat you in my evening snack." Then the gingerbread man said, "You can eat me, right? But first you catch me, then you can eat me." Then again gingerbread man said, "Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me because I am the gingerbread man." And he kept on running, running, running very fast. Then first the old woman, then the old man, then a pig, then a cow. Then all were running to catch the gingerbread man. After that, on the way, whom did he meet? He met a horse. He met a horse. The gingerbread man met a horse, and the horse said, "Oh my god, I can eat you. The gingerbread is so yummy, I can eat you." Then the gingerbread man said, "First you catch me, then you can eat me." Again, what did he say? "Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me because I am the gingerbread man." Then these all kept running. Then after some time, what happened? There was a river, and the gingerbread man can't swim. Once he gets into water, what happens? The gingerbread man will get melted because he's all bread, right? So He thought, how can I cross this river? Then who came? Let's see who has come. Then a fox has come. The fox said, Gingerbread man, I will help you. Then what did the gingerbread man think? Can I trust this fox? Can I trust this fox? And can he really help me crossing this river? Then what happened? The fox said, you can trust me. I will help you from all these people and I will help you to swim along the river. So the gingerbread man said, okay, I trust you. You help me crossing the river. So let's see what happened, children. So first, what did he say? You sit on my back. The fox said, you sit on my back so that it will be easy for me to swim. Then the gingerbread man sat on his back and the fox was swimming. After some time, what happened? The fox said, see, the water level is very high, so you sit on my head so that you will not go into the water. Then the gingerbread man said, okay, I'll sit on your head. Then he sat on his head like this. First he sat on his back, then on his head. Then after some time, what happened? After some time, the clever fox, what did he do? He said, gingerbread man, the water level is very high, so you sit on my nose. Then the poor gingerbread man trusted the fox so much, so he came and sat on his nose. Then what happened? Then sat on his nose like this. Then the fox had helped him cross the river. After crossing the river, what did the fox do? It had flipped the gingerbread man up. Then he opened his mouth very wide and the gingerbread man fell into the fox's mouth. Then the fox ate the gingerbread man. Poor gingerbread man trusted the fox so much, but what did the fox do, children? The fox ate the gingerbread man. So what is the story? What is the moral of the story, children? Never trust strangers. You should never trust strangers. What happened in the story? The gingerbread man trusted fox so much, but finally what did the fox do? The fox ate the gingerbread man. Yes? Hope you all like the story, children. Thank you.